Hey guys, welcome to Crypto Command. No question what the story of the day is. The total market cap of cryptocurrency has passed $300 billion. This, of course, has been due to the large increase in the price of Bitcoin over the past few days, now sitting above $9,500. It seems like Bitcoin is well on its way to the number 10,000 that we've been looking for some time. Bitcoin passed 9,000 almost without looking back at all, just going straight to 10,000. So this has been quite a run, and we're seeing all sorts of news coverage on this area. So here on CoinDesk, total market cap above 300 billion, and of course the majority of this being due to Bitcoin. So let's take a look at what these charts look like on here on CoinMarketCap. The price of Bitcoin now sitting above 9,600. You can see this huge jump in the chart that we've seen over the past couple of days. Let's just zoom in here. Really on the past month, and you can see that since we've been here for the past 2 weeks or so, we've gone from 7,000 all the way up to above 9,000 in just a couple of weeks. It seems crazy. A lot of the crypto space has had their eye on 10,000 for some time, but I think it's remarkable that we may get there before November is over, much less before the year is over. Let's zoom in on just the past few hours, really. And what you can see is as things have crept up, there was a little bit of a pullback as this euphoria was moving toward 10,000. Of course, I'm not looking at the candles here to look at the exact details, so I'm not trying to do any sort of technical analysis. But will 10,000 prove to be a point of resistance? That still has yet to be determined, but the next 24 to 48 hours will certainly be very interesting. Let's go back and look at, and now you can see on the total market cap, here we are, $300 billion. So this is really a chart that is showing incredible growth. So you can see this is almost just a straight line going all the way up. The other thing I want to do is just zoom in all the way to the past few hours for the total market cap, because you can see this same trend where we hit, this actually went well above 300 billion and hit this $305 billion mark, and then just from there came straight back to 295 billion, and it's now working its way back toward 300 billion. So this is one of these big round numbers that a lot of people have had their eye on. So will 300 billion be a point where the market can stay above that level for a while? Again, the next 24 to 48 hours will be very telling in that area. But one thing that's interesting, as we consider the fact that Bitcoin futures are probably having a major contribution to this rapid increase in the price of Bitcoin, the fact that the total market cap has hit this round number of 300 billion and Bitcoin is hovering near $10,000, there's a lot of news coverage, not just in the crypto space, places like CoinDesk, but here we go to CNBC, and the top article on CNBC's website right now is Bitcoin cracks 9,600 just after breaking 9,000. So this article is highlighting the fact that Bitcoin just blew through the level of 9,000. And we're really seeing no resistance as Bitcoin continues to go up. Looking through the rest of the CNBC website now, article number 2, cryptocurrency market breaks through $300 billion mark as Bitcoin heads to 10,000. These headlines are just incredible for bringing attention to the crypto space when websites like CNBC are picking this up. If we go over to mainstream websites like CNN, of course, Prince Harry being engaged, that has to take priority. Royal weddings, no contest compared to cryptocurrency right now. But in all seriousness, here, if we look on these top stories, Bitcoin surge takes it above 9,500. So even these mainstream websites, next stop, $10,000, Bitcoin's incredible surge. As headlines like this pop up on these mainstream websites, this is just going to gain more and more interest as people find out about Bitcoin, people that are not in this market yet. So this is just going to bring more attention to Bitcoin as we have CME futures get in here and institutional investors can become involved. It's going to be amazing to see what happens to the crypto space. But the thing to keep your eye on for the next couple of days is what's going to happen around this $300 billion level and the $10,000 level for Bitcoin. Will we be able to hold these levels? Will that eventually become a point of support as we sit above that? The growth over the past couple of weeks has been incredible. So we'll see if this is able to continue. Just wanted to share all these news articles that have popped up. I think it's definitely good for the whole space. I hope you guys have found this video helpful. Be sure to give the video a like, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and until next time, thanks for watching Crypto Command.